wait times and increasing efficiency.
Are you tired of creating bland and uninspiring charts and graphs? Want to learn how to create beautiful and impactful visualizations that will help you tell powerful stories with your data? Introducing our Diploma in Data Visualization with Python course. In this comprehensive program, you'll learn how to create stunning visualizations using one of the most popular programming languages for data science. Our expert instructors will guide you through the principles of data visualization and teach you how to use Python's powerful data analysis libraries like Pandas and Matplotlib to create charts, graphs, and interactive dashboards. You'll learn how to create engaging and impactful visualizations that will help you communicate your data insights with clarity and precision. You'll also learn how to clean and manipulate your data and how to prepare it for visualization in a way that maximizes its impact. By the end of this course, you'll have the skills and knowledge you need to create data visualizations that will captivate your audience and help you make better data-driven decisions. Enroll now and take the first step towards becoming a skilled data visualization expert with our Diploma in Data Visualization with Python course.
Right. Very good evening. So I'm Chandika. I'm the CEO of Asia Pacific Institute of Business Analytics. I would like to warmly welcome you everyone to APIBA Institute. So I think you all have registered with our Applied Business Intelligence with Microsoft Power BI for business professional course. So everyone, I'm warmly welcome to our institute and our course. So this is the time to start our inauguration program. So I think everyone very aware what is our today's session. So today we are conducting our inauguration program, inauguration session. So therefore, so first of all, I should tell you then we are not going to teach you today. So basically, today we are starting our discussions. So then basically we are doing today our introduction part of the course. Then from the next week, we will start the teaching sessions. So anyway, to explain all the things, so then I would like to share my screen, and so we will go through our course content and about our institute as well. So then actually this is very short sessions today. So this is very brief introduction about our institutes and our lecturer and our courses. So please allow me to share my screen with you, and then we can discuss about our future options and future content to learn. So then, as I mentioned you earlier, so everyone knows what is our course. So applied business intelligence with Microsoft Power BI. So this is especially designed for business professionals. So then if you are working in the business a professional field, then maybe manager, maybe executive, right? So maybe CEO, maybe entrepreneur, right? So anyone can learn this course. Then this is very good course to you because we are touching all the corners in this scope, and we would like to show you the path to get your career and your business into some extended success level with the data science field, right? Data science approaches and data visualizations approaches. So then, so as I mentioned earlier, so as a institute, as a APIBA institute, as a Asia Pacific Institute of Business Analytics, so our main requirement, our main target is define and implement data science culture in Sri Lankan context and South Asia, in South Asia Pacific region. So then that is the main target we have. That is the main objective, and that is the main visions APIBA has. So then basically, you know that it's huh? Screen sharing. So just give me some output. So can you see my screen? Yeah, just let me try it again. Sorry. Yeah, I think now it may share, right? Done. Sorry, very sorry. So then that is the major cultures. So that is the major objective ABIBA has. So basically, we know that most of the countries in Asia Pacific region and in even Sri Lanka, so most of the time our professionals are not aware with data science and artificial intelligence and kind of machine learning techniques. So then actually these name and these terms are very high tech. Sometimes you may feel like that, but these are very general term when you come to the learning. So these are not high tech ones. Actually, these are high tech terms, but only the major thing is very important thing is definitely every professional should get this idea, because without having AI knowledge, without having business intelligence and business analytics knowledge and data science knowledge, even machine learning also you may have to learn, because now world is very competitive stage, and we are working with the world, not with the local businesses. So we have to uh, face with the global competitions, right? In the even in the career as well. Then this is the major opportunity. This is the major option you have to learn about business intelligence and all. So then that is the major objective we have. So our major objective is create very good data science culture in the local context and Asia Pacific region. So we are teaching our knowledge and our experience and all the things to our industry leaders. So that is the major part. So therefore, we are the first institute, I can say like that. So we are the first institute only teaching about data science and business intelligence. So we are not teaching any other information technology courses, and we are not offering any other diploma courses, right? So we are teaching and we are conducting only the business intelligence and analytics and data science and machine learning courses. So therefore, we are very specialized to teach these things, and our instructors and our all the lecturers are very specialized and very expert to teach them, right? So then another part, so most of the time, so our courses we are evaluating with both side mean in academic field and in the industry as well. So we have taken their comment before launching, before publishing a course. So always we are taking a very good comment from them. So we are giving to our course curriculum for their review. After their review and their comments, we are accommodating most of the valuable comments to our course curriculum. Then only we are publishing the course to the market. So that is the our process. That's why we have tell you. So this is kind of standard course you can follow, because we are not touching the surface level. We are deeply analyzing and we are deeply teaching about all the corners in the subject content, subject context. So that is the special thing I want to explain you and I want to tell you. So therefore, so you have taken very good step to start with APIBA. So then, therefore, I think you will be able to experience how we are doing, what we are doing, and next 10 weeks or within 10 or 8 weeks, we are covering about business intelligence with Power BI. So then you will be able to realize what I have explained in the inauguration program. So, so I think again I should thank you for selecting APIBA Institute and believe us. So, so next I should uh, introduce you what kind of categories, what kind of courses we are offering. So basically category based. As I mentioned you earlier, so we are conducting only business intelligence courses and data science courses and AI courses and cybersecurity courses and machine learning courses. So we are not providing other information technology courses or other management courses. So we are specialized to this thing. And who can join with us? So basically, like you, professionals can join with us, and school students and university students can join with us, and they can start their learning with APIDA. As well as school leavers can start their data science career, data science knowledge. They can start their earning knowledge with the APIBA Institute. So we have very good certified courses in the APIBA Institute. So as a CPD UK accredited institute, so we are conducting most of the courses with very best quality content. So as well as we are registered in the CPD UK, as well as now we are in the process of territory and vocational education in Sri Lanka registration process. So in the next month, I believe that we will be able to get that badge as well. So then, so therefore, we can offer NVQ level courses as well in the future. So then like a certificate and advanced certificate and diploma courses we will be able to provide for school leavers and undergraduate students. So then and the professional students, the professional people, we are providing already. We have started the CPD accredited courses. So then most of the courses we are provided under the CPD accreditations. So then here I would like to introduce you about our other professional courses. So I'm taking very small time to explain you and go take time to show you what we are offering in the institutes, because I think I believe that these words are very new to you, right? This field is very new to you. So what I'm talking today, I believe that all of these things are very new to you. So you may have heard about only the business intelligence or sometimes BI tools, but industry is not there. That's why I wanted to explain you. So then the future market, future career market, then job market is not in that position. So definitely you should follow this thing. You should gain this knowledge. Then only you can survive in the market. You may sometimes you be accountant, or sometimes you may be doctor, sometimes you may be nurse, right? Maybe lecturer. So any field, right? So definitely you will have to adapt with this knowledge, right? So then market is there. So therefore in other professional courses are we have applied business intelligence and analytics course for professionals. So this is very attractive course. So we are well designed that course content with 4-5 subjects. So that is a 6-month course. Then that is also online. All these courses are online. We are conducting on the online platform. So for the professionals, then we know that they are very busy. Therefore, we are conducting all the professional courses through the online. And our second professional course is data science for professionals. Then don't worry about your professions. As I mentioned, maybe you may be a manager, right? But if you have a passion to learn something new, something adapt to new world, then you are very good qualified persons to learn these knowledge, because we are teaching from zero level, right? We are starting from zero, right? So we will go 100, right? So then, therefore, don't worry about your existing knowledge. Actually, all these courses are not required any knowledge, not required any pre-knowledge. Only thing is you should have a very good passion to learn some new concept. That's it. So if you have that, then you can enroll with us and you can start learning. So another one is applied market analytics for professionals. So then market analytics also very interesting field, as well as financial analytics for professionals also very interesting, and HRM analytics for professionals. Then these most of the then all these courses are teaching by industry experts and university lecturers. So both academic and industry flavor we have taken together into all the courses. Then we are touching all the corners with the experience and the expertise. So then that is the specialty of our courses. That's why I told you previously as well. We have reviewed our all the courses with industry expert and academics people's persons, right? So then they have give us very good comment. Then we have accommodated that comment, and then only we are publishing our courses. So that is the very special thing and very specialty of our courses, because as a person, I have worked 8 years plus in Japara University as academic person. So after resign from the Japara University, I started this institute. So therefore, I know value of the academic knowledge. I know the value of industry experts' knowledge. Therefore, so we are catering and we are teaching quality content to our students. That is a important thing, right? So then, as well as we know that you should have some good certificate you can uh, give to anyone in any organization, then they should believe that certificate context, right? So then that should be certified one. So therefore, we have taken most of the valuable certification and accreditations to our courses. So okay, so I'm not taking more time to explain other thing. So example, another important thing I should tell you about our corporate training programs. So as institute, currently we have 8 plus corporate we have done corporate training programs, right? With 8 companies like Softlogic Lab and Selinco. We have done several training programs for them, and Bowers, kind of well-reputed organization we have done. So we have 1,500 plus students in the corporate training program. So we have covered very various segment in the corporate segment. So then these courses we are conducting to corporate knowledge as well, corporate segment as well, corporate training programs. So then example, this is Microsoft Excel Basics, Advanced, Macro with Excel and Power BI, and Business Intelligence with Excel and Tableau, Power App, and Office productivity tools, kind of lot of tools we are teaching to corporate segment. So that is the corporate things as well. Then this is all very brief introduction about our organization, our institute. So you can visit apiba.org. Then you can learn many more things about our institute. So especially we are conducting kids courses as well. Then I'm not taking time to explore about the kids courses. because you are very professional students, and then I should take only your time for valuable things. Then only I took those topics. So I'm not going to touch about the kids courses. So if you have any interested about our data science courses for your kids, then you can visit our website, and then you can explore the things, right? So then if you have any inquiries, if you have any things to know, then if you want more details about anything, then you can contact us. So using this contact number, then you can send us a WhatsApp message, and you can call to this number. Then we will ready for any time to provide certain informations. So, okay, that's all about APIBA, right? Very small introduction. So then now I'm going to introduce you about our course, right? So our course is Business Intelligence with Microsoft Power BI for especially professional students. So then this course is conducted by Udara Alagalla. Today he has joined with our inauguration program as well. He's a data evangelist in Sensory Software Solution. He has various skill and various experience with Microsoft Power BI. So he's working on this segment in the industry as well. So this is our fourth intake in Power BI. So then therefore, he has done very successfully 3 intakes already. Then all the students' comments are very good. Then I will introduce him to you, explain about our courses, about our business intelligence with Microsoft Power BI course. So he will continue about the course and course curriculum, and so all the routes in the course. So please welcome Mr. Udara. So he will explain you about the course. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Chandika. Okay, very good evening to you all. Welcome to the APIBA Institute once again, all of you. So I would like, wait, give me a second. I would sorry. Okay. Once again, welcome to you all to APIBA Institute and for this course. First of all, I would like to introduce our course curriculum. So actually, Microsoft Power BI is, I think you may have an idea about the tool actually, but it's a Power BI, I think, because that is the reason you are here. So before moving to the our course curriculum, I would like to explain some kind of a brief introduction about our course. So actually, Power BI is a world famous platform we can use to develop data visualizations and business intelligence. This is, I think, this is the famous tool in the world, because there are a lot of tools we can use to for this technology, like Tableau as well as Google Data Studio. But most of the countries and most of the organizations are using Microsoft Power BI for their data visualization and data business intelligence activities. So actually, when we consider about this course, we are mainly target about the applied knowledge, because this is the difference between other courses and the APIBA courses. That means the course we are offering you. We mainly target about, our main target is develop your applied knowledge. That means how to use this tool for your day-to-day activities and to your business decision-making purposes. So when you consider about the course outcomes, after completing this course, you will be able to understand the data sources and the report, how to create a dashboard and how to create reports, multiple reports, and how to interact with interactive dashboards, as well as how to use these visualizations to your decision-making purposes. This is the main outcomes after completing this course. So I would like to go to the our course curriculum. We are planned to conduct our lectures 8 to 10 weeks actually, because we are offering good contents. This is our content. First of all, we talking about some kind of introduction part about Power BI, because as a student, we should have a clear idea about how to Power BI works, because actually Power BI is some kind of a platform. It is not the only tool. It is not only the software. It is some kind of a platforms. Why I am saying that? Because there are a lot of tools, and there are a lot of tools connecting this application. For an example, there are Power BI Desktop and Power BI Online. That means we call Power BI Service and Power BI Mobile Apps, as well as Power BI Report Builder and Power BI Report Servers. There are a lot of components related to this Power BI platforms. That's why I'm telling this is some kind of a platform we can use to develop our reports and visualizations for our day-to-day business business requirements. Then, in addition to after getting these introduction sessions, we teach you how to work the Power BI system. That means how simply we call it the workflow of the Power BI. It's a very important. After getting all this knowledge, you will be able to connect data sources, because when we're considering about the organization, there are a lot of today world, there are a lot of data sources. Data sources mean we have data with Excel files and some kind of a web files, databases, and some kind of a text file. There are a lot of data sources. Then we need to get all the data to our central platforms like Power BI. Then we talk about how to connect those files to our Power BI platforms. What are the limitations, and how to connect, and what are the limitations, what are the best practices that we have followed when we connect into the data sources. These are the we cover about our session 2-3 sessions, and then after connecting all these data, we need to clear. That means we call data transform, or data sharping. And under this session, we are talking about very powerful tool in the Power BI. It is called Power Query Editor, or the Power Query. Then by using Power Query, we can transform our data into the. That means we can clear our data by using this Power Query Editor. After completing these two things, after completing this setup, then we have to go to the data modeling part. This is the very important part in a Power BI section. If you want to learn Power BI as a Power BI developer, or Power BI data analytics, you should have a very clear knowledge about data modeling part, because data modeling part is the something like we can say the basement of the Power BI, because if you need to, if you have to develop proper data model, otherwise you can't create a good data visualization and data intelligence platforms, or the intelligence visuals. So we're talking about what are the data modeling part, and how to design a model, and what are the best model in the we can use in a Power BI. What are the dimension and fact tables? Then how we select, how we design those things. We are cover all the things in the data modeling part, as well as how to connect these data tables with together, like relationship There are various type of relationships in Power BI. Then we can talk about how to modeling those, how to connect the relationships with in this session. After completing these three sections, after modeling, we go to the advanced analytical part. This is another important part of the Power BI, because when we considering about the Power BI visualization, we have a lot of requirements. We have to create new tables. We have to create new columns for our data requirement, as well as other measurements we have to create. Then we have to use DAX. We talk about very basic DAX levels to very complex level. There are a lot of DAX component in DAX types in the Power BI. For an example, aggregation functions, datetime functions, text functions, to time intelligence functions. There are a lot of functions related to the DAX. We covered all the DAX functions in this course, because without DAX knowledge, you can't be a good data analytics by using Power BI. So after completing all the setups, we can go to the data visualization part. When we go to the data visualization part, we should have a good knowledge about, good understanding about visualization. There are a lot of visualization. Simply we can say bar chart, column chart, but we should have proper knowledge, because there are a lot of types of visualizations, like categorical visualizations and time intelligence visualization, performance visualization. There are a lot of categories how we can use to our reports. Then we should have a clear idea about where we can use this. This is what are the limitations and how to use it. We all the things we are talking in these sections. After completing visualization part, then we talk about reporting part. There are report guidelines and best practices, and how we check performance, because very important thing is after creating reports, most of the people does not consider about the performance evaluation. That means performance measurements, because for an example, you create a report, but when you publish it, they take a lot of time to rendering the reports. This is not best part. It is not a proper way. You need to measure all the things. Then you need to calculate the performance. And we use performance analyzer as well as DAX Studio to evaluate DAX and performance, measure the performance in the Power BI reports and dashboards. So we learn about, we hope to teach, we hope to cover all the aspect about measurements of the performance. Then finally, after completing all of these things, we go to the Power BI online service, or the Power BI service. Then under this section, we talk about, after completing our report, how to publish it and how to manage our workspace and how to share our reports and collaborating with others, how to connect with the data refresh, how to connect data gateways. We cover all the things in this section. After finally, we talk about access control and security, because after there are a lot of security levels and access level in the Power BI. We should have a proper idea about. We should have proper idea about those things, because otherwise, because when we talk about organization data, not our personal data, organization data, we should give a high priority to protect our organization's data, because we are responsible for that. Then we have to consider about all the security levels, and those data are going through the online services. That means through the internet. So when go to the various type of devices, then we have to consider about the access and security level. We need to learn about, as this also very deep level. So this is our course curriculum basically. This is a very high syllabus. There are a lot of points we have to talk. So after completing those all the things, we have a final project. 2 to 3 weeks we have given to you to complete this project. It's a very compulsory project because this is the your check your knowledge. We think in addition to that, every week we give you a spot assignment. It's a very compulsory because after completing the sessions, we will give you an assignment. You need to complete it and submit to the. You need to complete before coming to next week. It's a very compulsory. I highly recommend you to every day participate to the class, come to online lectures because this previously I explained this is a very huge. We have very high syllabus, very rich content because we need to give you all the knowledge to you. We need to deliver this knowledge to you because that's why that is our main target, our institute main purpose. So that is the basic idea about our course curriculum and our course contents. So finally, I wish you all the best and thank you once again to joining with us. And my request is come to class and joining online sessions and work with very well. Thank you.
Right. Thank you very much, Udara. So then, so I think you got very good explanations and very good clear idea about our course content. So then the major thing is, as Udara explained, so I'm also honestly, I should request you to join online sessions, don't depend on the recorded video. So every sessions we are recording, every sessions we are recording and we are share with you through our LMS and Microsoft Teams. So all the sessions are conducted through Microsoft Teams, and every day we are recording our sessions. Then in the Microsoft Teams group, you will be able to take our recorded video. But major thing is join with the live sessions and ask any questions from your instructor. Then only you can resolve your problem. Then only you can become a good master, right? In the master in the BI knowledge, right? So then it is very important. So in when it comes to the 2000, when you let's say within next 3 to 5 years, so BI knowledge is required for any professionals. So currently, most of the universities are teaching under their degree programs, right? So, but I believe that, but our senior, our professionals are not touch this knowledge when they are learning. So then this is the time, this is the place you can earn that knowledge completely. So please take complete knowledge and work with the industry and give some insight to us as well, right? So give your comment to us as well. Then only we can grow with your progress, right? So thank you, Udara. Thank you very much for your great explanations. So then, so next, I should come to this stage. So this is very important. Reason is reward and certifications. So here you can see we are giving best student medal, and we are issuing transcript and certificate to every student, right? Every past student. So how to earn best student medal and how to earn transcript and certificate. So this is very important. So Udara, as Udara explained, so we are giving final project, right? So we are giving final project. So this final project is required, right? As a registered and credible institute and accredited institute. So definitely we should evaluate our students' knowledge before issuing a certificate, right? Therefore, we are giving final project. So that is also very applied one. This is very practical one. So then you should complete this project and you should submit before deadline. Then we are evaluating your answers and we are giving you a mark, right? We are giving you a mark. Then based on the final project mark, we are selecting best student in the intake, right? In the intake, as well as you can earn the transcript for the grades for the course, and then we are giving very valuable certificate generated by APIBA Institute, right? So then that is the major informations when it comes to the reward and certifications. And another important thing is we are conducting uh, award rewarding ceremony in December, in every year, December, right? So all the students are come to that awarding ceremony. Then and in that point, we are giving physical certificate, printed certificate to every student, right? But anyway, once you completed your course program, so we are issuing our transcript, right? So then we are issuing very valuable transcript to you with our recommendations and with your grade, right? So then, but anyway, our certificate is given you to in the event, right? So that is the our normal process. So when it comes to the enhancing learning experience in the APIBA Institute students, so we are doing three major things, right? For you for the Power BI students, for Power BI professionals, right? So one is we are providing Microsoft Power BI learner license to you. Then you can or I think already we have shared Microsoft Office account, right, with you. So we have shared your credentials with you. So then you can log into your downloaded Power BI tool using our credentials. So then in the session is start, Udara will teach you how to download Power BI and how to install everything. So from the zero, as I mentioned you earlier, from zero we are starting. Then don't worry about the installations and all the things. But what I want to explain to you, mention you here. So we are giving Power BI learner license to you. So then you can learn based on the license. So then another thing is we are conducting free webinars to our students and our public society. So these days we have published two webinar programs. So I should show you. So then yeah, let me show you that one as well. So this is also very important to you. So already we have published two webinars. So you can go to apiba.org and go to webinars. Then you can see two major webinars we have launched in this month. So one is this is the very coming soon one. So in this Saturday we are hosting this event. So enhancing career growth, why data science is needed for management professionals, right? So then this event is hosting, then conducted on 18th, 28th of October, right? And 8:30 p.m. So same time. So here the presenters are, then panelist is Mr. Amalkar. He's from Axiata Digital Lab. He's one of data science and senior architect in Dialog Axiata. Uh, Second one is Buddhiga. He's direct operations in the Milenex International. And the third one is Mr. Tushar Dasanayaka is a senior lecturer in Faculty of Management Studies and Commerce, University of Sri Jayawardenepura. So actually, he's my one of colleagues. So then, so this is the panel. So then they will explain you about this content. This is the agenda. So then I will share this link on the chat as well. So if anyone is interested to get some idea about this thing and this knowledge, so then you can join with free. This is actually totally free. So this knowledge we are provided to society without any charge. So this is free webinar. So you can join with us. So already we have published our sessions link as well. So conducted through the Microsoft team. So you can join, right? So don't worry about any payments. So we are not taking any payments. So that is one. So so another one is this is regarding actually uh, data science, artificial intelligence and machine learning. So this is also conducting by the APIBA Institute. So then presenter is the Dr. Shashikala Subhashini. He's a senior lecturer and AI researcher and AI consultant in various organizations in Sri Lanka and Australia. And she's talking about why should every professional learn AI and machine learning. So then this is the future. As I mentioned you earlier. So AI and machine learning and data science is very general subject within next 5-year period. So then everyone should learn. So our target is, our duty is take the first step and teach you all the things, right, about this new technology. So then this is also we are hosting on November 6th at 8:30. So then you can join 8:20. So then so date is November 6th, right? So then same time 8:30. So this is also very valuable topic. So then we will talk very interesting topics there. So then you can connect, you can join with both sessions as well. So okay, thank you. So then when come to the supporting free courses, so then actually I think you all aware about this supporting free course, right? So when you are learning Microsoft Power BI, so most of the professional students are from management or some kind of executive level positions. So then Microsoft Excel is very basic and very required knowledge to work in the industry. So all the registered student, right, they can join without any payment for our Microsoft Advanced Excel course. There we are not talking about what is Excel, what is cell, what is column. So we are not talking. So we are starting from some kind of advanced topic like what if families is scenario manager things we are talking there, and how to deal with large data set and how to do some pivoting in the data using data set kind of. These are the knowledge we are talking in the subject in this course. This is totally free. All registered students for the Power BI and our other courses as well. So this is the enhancing learning experience with APIBA. So this is the way we are upgrading our partners' knowledge. This is the way we are enhancing our students' experience, student skills. So we are not taking money to grow ourselves. We are growing both sides. We need to support you and you will support to us. Therefore, this is knowledge sharing is very valuable thing and very good thing, right? So therefore, uh, both parties can grow continuously and can grow simultaneously. So that is the important thing. So anyway, then once you complete our business intelligence and analytics course, so what is the continuous path for you? Yeah, I will show you 4 different paths to you, right? So one is you can join our complete and very good course we have, that is applied business intelligence with Microsoft Power BI and Python Plotly, right? So then that is the next course actually after you learn this Python course. Then next step is you can learn the Python and then you can work with Plotly and you can develop customized thing, right? Customized dashboards. So using Plotly and Power BI. So that is next one. As well as if anyone is interested to learn, so then another thing is advanced course. Then we have another advanced course with Microsoft Power BI. So then in the advanced course, we are talking about collaborations and uh, power tools. Microsoft, then in the Microsoft package has various power tool, right? Then power automation, power app, and all the things are there, and the SharePoint and so as well as there. Then in the advanced course, we are talking with the SharePoint, Power Tools, and all the things, right? Most of the Power Tools we are taking into the advanced course. Then after you completed this advanced course, this power knowledge is completed in the Microsoft segment, right? So that is also you can start after you completed this course successfully. And if anyone is interested to learn the data science, then this is the first step you can do. Then you can start with data science for professional course. So that is also very interesting and very rich content we are teaching, right? There are maybe I think 4 or 6 subject is in the course, right? So that is also very productive and descriptive course, and very good course actually. So then another option is you can join with fundamentals of AI and machine learning for management professionals. So then most of the courses we are catering for the managers. That is the specialty. What the reason is, in the future managers are data science persons, data science people, not the typical managers, right? World is required data science flavored managers. They are the persons can change the organization and change the organization directions. Why? The data science and business intelligence and business analytics is the key concept and tool can see about actual future of the organizations. අපි සිංහලෙන් කිව්වොත් එimhe අපි organization එකේ පේන්නේ බලන්න පුළුවන් නේ. horoscope එක බලලා අනාගතය දකින්න පුළුවන්. Data science is the tool. So then that's why we are teaching all these technical knowledge to our managers. So we need developed country, right? We don't need any developing country further, right? So our dream is to see developed country. So if I want to see a developed country, we need to teach to our professionals some developed knowledge, right? Developed knowledge. So that's why we are taking this step. That's why I take that risk. So then as an academic, I resigned from the university and started this one. That's the reason. So I have seen the opportunity of the market, and if you have this knowledge, then you have very big opportunity in the market. As a freelancer, also you can do very good thing in the into the industry, into the market, right? Right. As a freelancers, also welcome to these courses, and they can start their own organization. They can start their own business once you complete this any course. Reason is we are teaching applied knowledge. So our most of the courses cover more than 70% of practical part. Then theory is 30%, right? So then that is the reason we are telling you this is applied course. So okay, then next thing is how you can take our support. So we have LMS. So then our LMS is uh, here. So then okay, sorry. Then here that is lms.apiba.org. So then here our most of the documents, and if we are publishing some assignment, we are publishing to LMS and Microsoft Teams, both we are using. So most of the time we are using both tool, right? So in both location we will update. So don't worry about anything. So if you want any other support, or if you have any concern, then you can send an email to coordinator, and you can call our hotline numbers as well. So then when we are starting our sessions, so our session start date is November 2, right? 2nd of November, we will start our teaching sessions at 8:30 p.m. So same time, same day, right? So then so from 2nd of November, I believe that you will continuously join to the live sessions. So thank you very much. So then if you have any questions, and if you have any concerns and any comments, then this is the time to ask.
Hi, this is Suresh here, Uttara or Chandrika. If one of you could explain, after this training, will we be able to sit for PL 300 certification?
Sorry, Suresh, can you ask again because I have muted? Sorry.
Oh, sorry. After this training, will we be able to sit through the PL 300 certification? Will it cover all the syllabus for that particular certification?
Yeah, Suresh. So then I believe that definitely you can participate, you can face for the exam. PL 300 is, this is the content actually in the PL 300. So honestly, but I didn't mention that because we can't mention it directly. So I can mention it because you have asked that. So this is the content in the PL 300. So then once you completed this course, definitely you can face for the PL 300 exam. Don't worry about
Okay.
that.
So there'll be mock exams or some sort of questions that is similar to the exams, is it?
Yeah, yeah,
Okay,
sure.
thank you.
Very good. Any questions? Then you can ask anything, right? So if you want any other informations regarding other courses or anything, then you can visit to our website, then you can see and you can directly contact us as well. Yeah, no questions. I think uh, we could explain about the future of market. So then, in before we start in the inauguration sessions, we have played some videos, right? So these are not marketing videos, right? These are the actually we wanted to show you how world is work, right? How organizations are working with the data science, how organizations are join and collaborate with this new technology. Then definitely, if you are adapting this technology, right, uh, then definitely you will win. You can win the match. Definitely you can win the match because if you are fast learner, if you are very quality person to adapt new technology to your organization, then you are the very good persons to become the great CEO in any organization. So then, so in the future, CEOs are data science persons, believe me, right? So uh, that's not depend on the management, right? Then management is another knowledge and skill. So then half of is data science and BI and BA knowledge, right? So then you can forget about the machine learning and then high tech subject and discussions, but adapt with AI, adapt with data science, adapt with business intelligence and analytics. Then without having this knowledge, you cannot win the game. So I'm not telling you to join only with APIBA. You can take any chance, you can select any organization. My recommendation is learn somehow. That's it, right? So if you are teaching well, then you will join with us. If you are doing very good content, so if you are giving very good experience, learning experience to you, then you will join with us. So my recommendation is learn from anywhere, right? Without having that knowledge, so very difficult to face to the future market. Right. Okay. So I think if you don't have any questions, then we can come to the conclusions. Then anyway, once we started the sessions, then you can ask any questions, right, from Sudhara. from me, then you can contact our hotline. Then I'm always available in the office. So then you can contact us, right? Don't worry. So okay, then let's meet on next week at same time, 8:30. I wish all the best to everyone for your great future about business intelligence field and data science fields. Okay. Thank you very much, everyone. So then I believe that you have taken very good knowledge and very good start to your sessions. Then see you on next week. Thank you very much. Have a nice week. Good night.
Thank you, guys. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, both of you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.